Hey guys, so I figured that while we were here in Lowe's, I will bring you guys along so I can show you guys some of the products that we got while we were here in the store. We had two fantastic ladies helping us pick out paint today and colors and supplies and all of that good stuff. So shout out to them here in our local Lowe's here in Lafayette. They were amazing, awesome, fantastic. Ignore the way I look, ignore my voice, ignore everything. I am really sick, but I love you guys, so I wanted to show you guys what exactly we were doing to the kitchen cabinet. I promised you guys that I would, so I'm taking you along, and I will see you in the rest of the video. Bye. So this is the color that we decided on, Swiss Coffee. It looks white, of course, but it's not like ultra white or snow white, so like when it gets dirty, it won't be like bam, it's dirty, you know. So, and then we got some tape to tape stuff up. We got a few of the sponges because we didn't know what would work better, the sponges or like this, or like brushes. So we got a little bit of both. Of course, we got the paint sticks, and then we got two of the special rollers for cabinets and doors. So, oh, and then we got a few of these like paint trays, but that's about it. Okay, so Anthony got a little bit gun-ho and started taking the doors off before I could get a before, but it is totally fine. I'm sure I could find a picture somewhere of the before. We are actually starting to tape the walls and the sides so we don't get paint on the walls. Come say hi, AJ. Say hey, YouTube. It's not broke. Daddy took it off. Say hey, YouTube. Yeah, say hey, YouTube. It's not broke. Daddy took it off, baby. Yeah, Daddy took it off. It's so funny. Let's get started. It looks a mess. Normally, y'all know there should be spick and span before you even start, but all my energy is going into painting. Well, let's get started. Well, day 2. Still making progress. Ow. He's so irritating. Look at his face. No, buddy, don't come in here. So the actual cabinets are done. We just wait. Oh well, the Lazy Susan are still working. I have no idea how to make that any easier. I really don't. But yeah, we're still going.